viewers, welcome back to my channel, my Facebook page, my Instagram page, Seraphic Style Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself, and yes, a very happy Friday and a powerful weekend coming ahead. So I'm very excited to talk about this thanks to a friend of mine who gave me a suggestion to talk on the Lionsgate portal, which is on August 8th. And what is it all about? But before that, I really want to express that, I have been really missing my Wednesday weekly tarot guidance video. And so just stay tuned in to this channel because you will be receiving some more updates about it. What is it that next I'm going to bring up for you, because I am number 5 and I cannot follow a monotonous routine for my work, so I need to keep experimenting and keep doing something new. So just watch out for this space and look for the what's new coming for you. I am sure you are going to like it. Now coming to the topic of the video, Lionsgate portal August, which is happening on August 8, 2020. It is an intense time for all of us to tap into our highest self being and create infinite possibilities for us. So a lot of you might be already feeling a shift within you, because this period actually started from July 26, 2020 and is going to be extending till August 12, 2020. Now what is happening on August 8th is that it is going to be, this energy is going to be at its peak, and that is why it is called as the Lionsgate portal, wherein we can make the best of using this energy. We can manifest our desires, we can manifest our goals using this energy. And anybody who is receiving something new in their life at this point of time, I would say just go for it, because this something new is going to make a major shift in your life. Let me ask you this question: how many of you were actually familiar with this Lionsgate energy portal? If not, it's okay, because I was also not aware, and I think everything comes to us at the right time when we are ready and receptive towards the energy. And if you're watching this video, then it means that it's time for you to tap into your highest self being. Now let's learn in this video what it means, what causes this to be so intense, and what to expect in this phase. So firstly, during this season, what happens is the brightest star in the sky, the Sirius, rises above in the eastern horizon, and the sun in the Leo sign. These two powerful cosmic combination activates a gateway to these high vibrational energies, making an ascension and shift in all areas of our life. Now what to expect? You will expect enhanced intuition during these days. You will expect higher conscious awareness and a major shift within your energy. So there could be some endings happening in your life, or with these endings there could be some beautiful beginnings also happening. So whatever new is coming to you at this point of time, I will suggest you to take it, because these new beginnings are going to make major shift in your life. Okay, and you will get to see extremely positive transformation within yourself if you are tapping into this energy. Okay, so if you are ready and you're receptive towards being that highest self of yours, then I think it's the best time for you to tap into these energies and make the most of them. Now I have some points here that what is it all about. Now we know what is this energy, how intense it is. Now what is it that we have to do to make the most of it? So first is that you need to release old self of yours, release your self-limiting beliefs. We all deserve the good, the best, the better in our life. It is all about an ascension, an awakening, and evolution. So the time is now for us to live to the fullest in this now moment. There are 3 things that I really want to tell you to make the most of this portal, and using these tools to manifest your goals, your desires, maybe for the next 1 month, for 1 year, or maybe for the next 2 years. And especially for the people who are looking for that positive transformation within yourself, this is a very good time for you to write those goals. So how you can do is, the first exercise that I really want you to do is to stay grounded during these times, because I'm sure people who are sensitive to this energy are already feeling a shift within themselves. So just stay grounded, practice breathing exercises. The moment you start feeling the energy shift within you, make sure that you continue practicing breathing exercises, do the meditation. And the second is, on 8th of August, I really want you all to do the visualization meditation. Yes, please create an intention, create a thought why you want to do it. What is it that you want to achieve in your life? What is it you want to transform into your life? What is it that you want to release and bring new in your life? So visualization is a very powerful tool. Make sure that you do it. So what you can do is just take these two fingers of your left hand, press between your eyebrows, and just tap into your consciousness that what is it, you know, that you really want to bring into your reality. You maybe you just want to bring in the confidence, that transformation within yourself. So just tap here around it and just say, I am confident, I am confident. And when you do that, after that, visualize yourself having that confidence within you. Just visualize it. Now the third is the mix of the visualization. And if you a lot of people say that they cannot visualize, which I really cannot believe that you can't visualize. Because if I'll ask you, you know, what you were wearing or what is the color of your door, you will tell me that, you know, it is this and it is that. So that means you can visualize. But still, if you are not into practice of the visualization, what you can do is you can do the method of scripting. Write down your goals. What is it that you really want to achieve in your life? You can even use the pictures of those goals that you really want. You know, make a journal, the journal that you, if you are following for a new moon, so you can use that same journal. In the same journal, you can write your goals, the things that you really want to manifest, you want to transform into your life. So write them. Once you have written them, now you have to visualize it. Just go within and see yourself, you know, how do you feel it, you know, how you already feel it, having it in your life. The feeling is the most important thing, because the more you'll feel, the more stronger your emotion will get. And that is all, you know, when we create our reality, because how we feel is going to make us how we act, and how we feel and how we act together creates our reality. So make sure you do these three things on 8th of August. First, try to ground yourself. Then visualization meditation is very important. Please do that. And if still you cannot do it, then just write what is it, you know, you want to achieve, how you want to see your life, be it that beautiful home that you want to get for yourself, or anything that you really want to manifest in your life. Now that's what I have for this video. I hope you really like this guidance. It's really a good opportunity for all of us to tap into our highest self, like I said so many times in this video. I'm really glad that I have been able to bring this to you. So please make the most of it. And if you have any suggestions for this, for any other videos, then please do drop in the comments box below that what would you like me to create more for you. Please do share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. It is a very powerful, intense time for all of us to release the old self of us, jump, you know, outside those timelines in the universe, and make and create that shift within our lives. So do share it with your friends, people who have been trying to manifest something in their life. Please do make sure that you are sharing with it, and do like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and always loving and supporting me. Thank you and namaste.